What's up, everybody? Gonna give you an update on my lawn renovation. For those of you that remember 2 weeks ago, I had to dig out some bricks, made a huge hole, which meant I needed some extra dirt. I rented a sod cutter last weekend, cut out the entire front yard, and I will include some pictures. That work was some of the hardest out of this whole process. So I just worked, did what I had to do. I didn't record very much of anything as far as cutting up the sod. So I cut the sod up here, and I just skimmed over it with topsoil. It's not the greatest topsoil. You can see the little pebbles and stuff in it, but whatever, serves my purpose. You can tell it needs to be watered again. I just watered it like 20 minutes ago. I've watered it like 3 times since 4:30 this morning. But I started here at the sidewalk. I cut it 2.5 inches. And as I got closer to the flower bed, I cut it at 1.5 inches. Pretty much ruined my edge with a sod cutter. So I planted right to the edge, or put the seed down, and I will reform the bed come springtime. And then here, I just spread dirt along with the side of the house. Went down to the creek. It's probably about 1,000 feet from here. The last 300 or so, or 45 degrees down, angle down. Grabbed some flagstone to make a little pathway for kids or whoever wants to go out to the backyard trampoline or whatever. They don't have to walk through the dirt and grass seed so that it can grow undisturbed. Not sure that I'll keep the flagstone. We'll see how it looks once the grass grows. Worst case, I'll pull it all up and put grass seed in those spots in the springtime. Seed I used was Jonathan Green Black Beauty Original. It's a fescue blend. This is the seed label. It does have some slight weed seed, but I'm not too concerned about that. Got a 25-pound bag. 25 pounds for a newly seeded lawn should cover roughly 3,700 square feet. I renovated about 3,000. Probably about a pound or 2 left. Save it for see what happens once the seed grows. So I'll include some clips of what I did today, and some pictures that I've taken throughout the process, because I didn't record a lot of, like I said, I didn't record a lot of the side cutting and removal. Now I'm off till Wednesday next week, so I can make sure it's watered well, and hopefully germination will be shortly around the time I go back to work. All said and done, I've probably got between $300 and $500 into this project, between dirt, grass seed, grass killer. Now the rest of it's just my labor. And I'm estimating that's between 60 and 70 hours of labor. The brick removal took some time, cutting up the sod and remove it, and using a wheelbarrow to haul it 400 feet away took some time. So hopefully we get some good germination. I'm excited to see how this Jonathan Green grass seed turns out, and I'll keep you posted. Thanks for watching.